It's Scott with BWSR Bushcraft. What I thought I'd do today is a review on the 10-liter Sea to Summit folding bucket. Hang tight, I'll be right back and we'll get to it. Alright, the Sea to Summit 10-liter folding bucket packs down real tight, weighs just a little over 3 ounces. On the back of the pouch it has a belt loop, and really just a quite simple, straightforward piece of gear. Packs down real small, and here's the bucket dry, and it's got a pour handle right here so you can pour it, and then on the inside it has gradient marks, okay, if that is something that you would need. It's basically it's made of a nylon non-absorbent fabric. It's got a coating on here, food grade coating on the. It's welded all the way around on the bottom here. I personally have had this one for probably about 3 years, and it's been with me everywhere I go. I've never had a problem with it. The color orange on it comes in handy as an emergency signaling device. You put some pine cones in it, swing it around. Also, it makes a really great wet bag. So if you've got wet clothes or something, you just put them in here, throw that in your backpack. And the durability of this is fantastic. I've had it in just every backcountry event that I've gone on, and I've never got a puncture, never got a leak. At any rate, what we're going to do is we'll go down, we'll fill it up, and take a look at it in that fashion. In mine, personally, I take a rock and I'll stick it down at the bottom, nothing big, so that the bucket will get into the water. To date, I've never had a puncture or anything, but just a, a decent rock, and helps it sink down in there. Take our rock. So it holds the weight. All right. Well, here we have it. So it's not quite brimful, but it can be. Had it that way. I find it to be a very, very durable piece of gear, something that I personally just don't go out in the backcountry without. I've had this out in the bush, and what I'll do is if I have a campfire going at night, I'll put it right next to it, and then in the morning, done deal. So, all right, guys. Well, oh, one other thing. You can see the pond water, kind of dirty. I filled this thing up with all kinds of different water. I've never had a problem with odors in it. Just wash it out with soap and water, let it dry, and with that, this is just me personally. I wouldn't be putting the bucket wet back into the pouch. Let the bucket thoroughly dry, just as you would anything else when you store it. So, all right, guys. Well, that basically concludes the really short little review on the Sea to Summit 10-liter collapsible foldable bucket here. If you need more information on it, please visit the link down in the description box below. And it's Ben Scott with BWSR Bushcraft. Till next time, pack light, pack tight, stay hydrated.